The stock market is one of the most exciting and intriguing parts of the global economy. It has a significant impact on everyday lives, yet it's still extremely misunderstood by many people. Here are the 15 facts about the stock market that are guaranteed to fascinate you. Fact number 1, the stock market is more than 400 years old. The stock market is one of the oldest forms of investment in the world. It's believed that the Dutch East India Company created a rudimentary form of the stock market back in 1602, known as stocks. Fact number 2, there are more than 60 stock exchanges in the world. In modern times, there are more than 60 stock exchanges in the world. The most famous of them is called NYSE Euronext, and it's located on Wall Street. There are also other big players like Nasdaq too, and hundreds of smaller ones that help to support financial markets all over the planet. Fact number 3, annually, the stock market is likely to increase by 70%. There is a 70% chance the stock market will go up on any particular year, and only about 30 to 40% odds of it going down. This makes it an attractive investment for many people who want to make money from their savings. Fact number 4, October is the most volatile month. Many people believe that October is a very volatile month for stocks, which might be because it's near the end of the fiscal year in many countries. It can also be related to the fact that during this time, there are more rumors about prospective corporate takeovers as well as other significant economic events happening around the world. Fact number 5, September is the worst month. One of the worst months for stocks is September. This might be because people are so excited about how much they made during October that many investors decide to sell their shares to make a profit, which causes the stock value to drop. Fact number 6, the most expensive share is Berkshire Hathaway. The most expensive share in the world is Berkshire Hathaway. It has a current valuation of about £214 billion, making it over 3 times as big as Pepsi or Coca-Cola. Fact number 7, the earliest investing book dates from 1688. The earliest investing book published in the world is called Principles of Trade. A trader named Nicholas Barbon wrote it back in 1688, making him a first in the sector to put together an investment guide. Fact number 8, the first stock market bubble dates from 1720. A lot of people believe that the first stock market bubble was back in 1720. This happened when John Law created an investment bank that had shares issued for it, but he also printed more money to invest. The result was that not only did prices start going up as well as down quickly and wildly, but this led to many other speculation-driven bubbles happening over the next century or so. Fact number 9, Microsoft breached the £2 trillion threshold. Microsoft had first touched the milestone of $2 trillion market cap on June 22 but dipped below the mark before close. Taking the covers off its Windows 11 on Thursday gave the company enough juice to once again zoom past the $2 trillion mark and stay there till the end of session. Fact number 10, top 100 companies distributed £704 billion to shareholders. In total, £704 billion has been distributed to shareholders by the top 100 companies in the past 12 months. This is a tremendous amount of money that reflects how much return on investment they're offering investors for putting their funds into these stocks. Fact number 11, even pirates have a stock market. One of the earliest known was in 1783 when they were living in a piracy haven called Nassau, which is part of what's now considered to be the Bahamas. Fact number 12, the stock market recovers relatively quickly. The stock market is generally able to recover relatively quickly after it crashes. In the 1930s, for example, it took about 4 years before stocks went up again following a crash in 1929 and subsequent depression of the economy due to the Great Depression. Fact number 13, there are more mutual funds than you think. There are more mutual funds than you might realize. There's been a total of £51 trillion worth of investments in these types of accounts over the last 15 years. Fact number 14, shares were traded with fractions. Shares were traded with fractions until 2001, which means that an investor who bought a share at £100 might have owned 0.004 of the company instead of just one whole share. Fact number 15, The Dutch East India Company was the first multinational corporation in existence. The Dutch East India Company was the first multinational corporation in existence, and it traded everything from spices to silk, which made its stock very valuable. If you are interested in stock market, don't forget what Benjamin Franklin said about patience being key to success. Thank you for watching.